Basics of friction stir welding. Friction stir welding is a process in which a rotating pin is traversed along the contact surfaces between the workpieces. The frictional heat plasticizes the material, which is welded together. Friction stir welding is the optimal joining process for non-ferrous metals with a low melting temperature and for mixed metal combinations. The FSW process is particularly suitable for joining non-ferrous metals with a low melting temperature and for mixed material joints. Even materials that are difficult to weld or dissimilar materials such as aluminium with magnesium, copper or steel can be friction stir welded.
Follow my Instagram profile for more videos like this.